Let me ask you something. If I told you there's one silent force that quietly robs millions of people of their wealth every single year, something that doesn't make headlines, doesn't trend on social media, and yet keeps more people broke than bad jobs, bad investments, or even debt, would you believe me? Would you? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know what that wealth killer is, but also how to protect yourself from it before it drains your future. When most people think about why they're not wealthy, they point to obvious things. I don't earn enough. I don't have the right investments. I just have too many bills. And sure, those matter. But here's the truth. For the average American or Brit, the real killer isn't a lack of income or even bad luck. It's something way more subtle. It's lifestyle inflation. Here's what happens. You get a raise. Or maybe you land a better job. Suddenly, instead of saving the extra money, you upgrade your life. A bigger apartment, a new car, nicer clothes, dinners out, and it feels good because you earned it. But quietly, that good feeling locks you into a higher monthly cost of living. Your income went up, but so did your expenses, which means your savings flatlined. And if you repeat that cycle year after year, no matter how much you earn, you stay stuck. I've seen people making six figures living paycheck to paycheck simply because every extra dollar they earn goes straight into upgrades. Think about it. In the US, the average car payment is now over $700 a month. In the UK, the average household spends over 60% of their income just on housing and living costs. The numbers keep going up, but wealth doesn't, because lifestyle inflation eats the difference. Now here's the big difference between middle-class money habits and millionaire money habits. When the middle class earns more, they spend more. When the wealthy earn more, they invest more. They don't let lifestyle creep destroy their progress. They may upgrade their lifestyle, but only after they've secured their financial freedom first. And so how do you stop lifestyle inflation from being your number one wealth killer? 3 simple rules. 1. Set a wealth percentage. Decide a fixed percent of your income, 10, 20, even 30%, that always goes into investments before you touch it. Pretend that money doesn't exist. 2. Upgrade slowly. Before you buy the nicer car or the bigger house, ask, will this improve my happiness in 5 years, or just impress people today? 3. Automate growth. Use automation for savings and investments, so you never rely on willpower. Millionaires don't depend on discipline, they build systems that protect them from themselves. Listen, debt, low income, and bad investments might hold you back temporarily, but lifestyle inflation? That one will quietly keep you broke for life if you don't fight it. The people who build wealth are not the ones who make the most, it's the ones who keep the most. So next time your income goes up, ask yourself, am I getting richer or just living richer? If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and share this with someone who needs to hear it, because chances are they're fighting the same invisible wealth killer too.